Hi students, welcome to the channel. Coming back to the topic that is unique identifiers of computer network. In previous videos we have discussed two important unique identifiers, that is IP address and host name, right? So now we will discuss the third important type, that is DNS server. This is one of the most important unique identifier. So DNS stands for domain name systems. Domain name systems. Okay, it is like the phone book of the internet. We all use phone book, right? So it is like internet's phone book. Okay, when users type any domain name, domain name like, so we have some example of domain name like google.com. This is a domain name, or all about csit.com. This is also a domain name. Okay, if any user type domain names such as these two into their web browsers, what is web browser? Web browsers like Google Chrome and Firefox and Internet Explorer, etc. Okay, all these are the web browsers with the help of which we can access the web services. Okay, ये होते हैं web browsers. तो अगर हम लोग कोई भी डोमेन नेम एंटर करते हैं किसी भी वेब ब्राउज़र में, then DNS is responsible for finding the correct IP address. The working of DNS is to find the correct IP address for those sites. Okay, and browsers then use those addresses to communicate with original servers to access website information. Okay, this all happens with the help of DNS servers. In case of DNS, a server is a device or a program dedicated to providing services to another programs referred to as clients. Okay, as we have discussed that servers always provide services to the clients. Same in case of DNS server devices provide some services to the clients, and here these clients are also known as DNS clients. Only with the help of DNS server and DNS client systems, it is possible to communicate between two or more computer devices. In simple terms, we can also say it as a DNS server is a server that manages the domain name system, or we can also say it as domain name system protocols, that is matching internet domain names and IP addresses. Okay, so all these things, that is DNS protocols, domain name system, internet protocols and internet protocol addresses, all these things are managed only by DNS servers. Okay, and the DNS servers may also manage domain resolution services. It also manage domain resolution services. Okay, all these services are generally provided or handled with the help of only the server systems. So this is all about DNS server, that is a unique identifier of computer network. Now we will discuss MAC address in the next video. Thank you.